Alright, ladies, gentlemen, and kiddies, thanks to Suzuki Motor Philippines. And today, I will do a parking lot taste test actually, on the 2019-2020 Suzuki GSX-S150. Aside from that SkyDrive Sport, this is a traditional motorcycle, not an underbone like this Raider 150. I'll be a little bit more accustomed to this type of motorcycle. When I rode that SkyDrive Sport, I was kind of wobbly a little bit, and the front end lifts a little bit every time I accelerate. So let me try this bike out. This is one of those, what they call small bikes in the Philippines. They took out the side mirrors. Okay, on. Okay, it has a digital display. It has a gear shift indicator, which is perfect. And I'm completely flat-footed. And there you go. Alrighty, so let's back it up. I will be a lot more at home on a traditional motorcycle than like this than a scooter. I still have yet to ride an underbone. Let's go. Wow. The gear release is towards 95%. So let me get used to the bike first. The engine braking is a little too strong for but it's normal for first gear. See, it shudders a little bit. Whoa. I think second gear is a lot better. Whoa! Okay. The engine shudders doesn't help much. The throttling is not as smooth as I would expect. I have to keep it on gas as much as I can. I think the throttling isn't as refined. Let me do a little bit more careful. The kicks, the pegs folded a little bit. Throttling is pretty bad. I have to use the clutch for it to work. This is not good. I don't like the throttling. It just bucks around. The bike just bucks around and stuff. Gotta anticipate its bucking. See, if it keeps bucking like that, see, it just bucks. It goes. It's like a Bronco. I kind of did not like enjoying that. I did not enjoy that though. Just bucks around. Wow. I gotta ask the representative if that's normal. The throttling is not it's not good. Gotta ask them for it. So. Alright, I will do a take two parking lot taste test on the GSX-S150. I really like to know how to ride this bike smoothly. It's pretty frustrating. Alright, let's do it again.
kami, meron kaming idea kung paano kayo mapapansin ang crash nyo. Ready na ba kayo? Gusto niyo mapansin ang crash nyo? Meron kaming paraan. Panoorin nyo lang kung nasa likod ko.
Wow. Because of its clutch engage, the clutch bites at 95 to 98% towards full release. That is why this bike bucks a lot. You just have to hold on the clutch. For you to control its buckiness. Damn! And the way this bike accelerates, the way this bike revs is a little bit too... Okay, my pegs folded again. Ah! Never use the fronts. Never use the fronts. You just gotta need practice to ride this thing. It's just bad. My gosh. That's it for the GSX-S150 for a parking lot taste test. Alright, see you guys later. Peace out. Sir, may tanong ako. Yung GSX mo, yung 150 mo, ganyan ba talaga throttle niya? Paano talaga? Kumakajot pa. Ganun ba? Hirap eh. Hirapan ako. Gumaganon eh. May one time na kung kailan ko gusto ko ibitaw ka agad. Oo, grabe ang delay. Oh, sige. Sige. Subukan ko nga ulit, pwede ba? Putik, gusto ko masanay dyan sa GSX eh. Putik, di ko matansya yung bike, man.